name is Zanuddin Khan and I am a student and I am here to help other students. So let's begin. Today's topic is rounding off decimals. Let's see the steps. Number 1. Look at the right of the digit. If the digit is less than 5, then no change. Or if the digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then add 1. Step number 2. Change all the other digits after decimal to 0. Confused? Don't be. I will explain with examples. Example number 1. Round off to the nearest whole number. Guys, remember, whole number. So here, the whole number is 17. So remember the step number 1 that we have to work on the right of the number, that is 2. So now we'll compare 2 and 5. So as you guys know that 2 is less than 5, so it will remain unchanged. So our answer is 17. Now, what was our second step? That we have to change the other numbers into 0. So it will be 17.00, or you can call as 17. Example number 2. Round off to the nearest tens. Guys, remember that we have to round off to the nearest tens. So here the number is 3.692. So the place value of 3 is ones, the place value of 6 is tens, the place value of 9 is hundreds, and the place value of 2 is thousands. So here the number at the tens place is 6 and the number next to it is 9. So as you guys know that 9 is bigger than 5, so we will add 1 in 6. So our answer will be 3.792. So our step number 2 was that we have to make the other number 0. So our final answer would be 3.7. Example number 3. Round off to the nearest hundreds. Now guys, we have to round off to the nearest hundreds. So here the number is 2.735. So in the hundreds place there is 3 and the number next to it is 5, and 5 is equal to 5. And as I told you that if the number is 5, if the number is equal to 5 or bigger than 5, so we will add 1. So our answer would be 2.745. So here the step number 2 was then we have to make the others number 0. So our final answer would be 2.74. Guys, please subscribe, like, share and comment, because you have no idea how much hard work I have put up in it. So thanks for watching.